Rockz.
Look out! Bless your eyes with magic light, I give the gift of fairy sight! Of sight!
Don't go, I said. Bad idea, I said. But would you listen? No, don't listen to Batty.
Well, what have we here? Shoes. Animals don't wear shoes.
A human!
A tree!
Take anything you want. I won't tell the cops. Huh?
Are you alright?
Huh? I'm fine. What is going on here?
The monster, it tried to eat you.
Monster?
My friend and I saved you. Oh, Batty. Batty?
Huh?
Oh, sonic interference. What a nightmare. I thought I saw a human.
That's a human?
Yes, kill it, restrain it, medicate it, something.
Puff up. They hate that.
Get back! Don't worry.
Stop!
I've got it scared.
I have but one claw.